Yo, my lover, this is F2 and Top. So today we are in the city. So trying to show you what's taking place, what's going on. Which place are we? Guess what? Which place are we? Guess what? Alright. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning to everyone, whatever you are watching this video. This is F2 and Travel here to show you around what's taking place in Dubai City. So in today's video we are in Naif Deira city center. So guys, this is the video, and to you my fellow subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can see as we are turning back, so the turning is so wow. So today we are in the city and we are trying to see what's taking place. So today we decided to tour around men's market. So this market, it sells for men's garment, suit, what, everything for men. So come on, let's go together and see what is there inside the market. So we are going to go inside this building. So we are going to find a lot of things, but it's good for men. So this is, you can go to Banya Square metro station and you walk around to Sobha bus stop, and then you can walk or you can take a bus to this place. So if you're walking, you walk and go alongside Dubai Police, Naif Police. So this is where you're going to find this place. It's a market for only men's garments. So they deal in things for men: clothes, shoes, belt, watch, everything for men. And there are little shop for ladies, but it's more for men only. So for you, the men who are there and say, I don't know where to get a suit, where can I go and buy shoes, where can I go and get a bag, and you can find a lot of bag, a lot of suit, can do what, everything. So this is the right video to show you. You can note those buildings. As you can see, we are going inside the shop which sells only men's garment. If I say men's garment, it's only for men, not for women. So this is the place, and what I like there, the place is so the place is so clean, the place is cool. It was a beautiful Sunday, but the street were busy. You people, the street were busy, and guess what we found there? You're gonna like it. The clothes are not expensive and not like cheap. They have affordable price. So you can go here and try to check what you like. If you're looking for best suit, best casual wear for men and for women, and this shop, they sell even for the ladies, but they say, this shop, do not just go inside when you saw them writing that 1 dirham, 2 dirham. No, my dear, it's not that way. It is just go inside and check them and ask what you need. So for the fashionist guys, you can check out this place. It's so beautiful. It has amazing things, amazing clothes, suit, coats. What I can say and what I cannot say, nothing. Everything was on point. So my friend decided to take this, but I said, no, this is not the good one. Let's go inside. And we tried checking one by one until guess what? Do we buy or we just checking? No. We check and check. We the trade, the buyers, you check until you find the best one. So I had to check and check and check and check until, guess what, until we reach at the end of the market. But no, we buy, but not in the shop. We walk around to find the good one, but everything was good. Everything was on point, because one suit is about 200 dirham if you're buying only one. But if you are at the wholesale, you're buying a coat, shoes, what, the price is so really nice to everyone. Those shirts you see there is not a bit expensive. Some of them are 80 dirham, 85, 56. It depends the material you're taking. If you choose a material came from Turkey, my dear, it's a bit expensive. But if you are you're making trade, or you're buying at a wholesale price, they will make a what? They will make a discount for you. And what amazing I saw in this press is they have a wig. Lady, if you're looking for the wigs, not expensive, you can come close to this area also. But what I say for men, the things I saw there, it was only for men, and not this like men. No, the men.com men, right? You can go and find the best for you. So things here are also brand. So it's a market, but they try to bring out materials, unique materials, the material which is the quality. They based on the quality and the sales. So my friend here saying hello to you guys. Alright guys, this is for a boy around 11 years. So we say, can we take this one? Guys, we buy, but I was on camera. I wasn't able to show you what I bought, but we checked all over the shop. We end up get 2 suits, and you people, you don't know how much this one for baby is. 150 only for baby. It's 150 dirham. It's not a bit expensive according, but what I like is nice. You give your 100 plus, but you take the good material. Take something which is good. Everyone is gonna like it. Everyone is like, the person you're taking it and say, wow, you buy this from where? And say, no, buy. No, you can say, I bought it in the mall, but yet you got it in the market. Things in the market are cheap, though they are not too cheap. So if you go in the market, make sure that you choose good things. Do not choose cheap things. Cheap things, they never last, right? So make sure you upgrade yourself. Alright guys, for my friends, my followers who are following Fatuma Tours, F Tours and Travel, this is shop for men's only. You can go there and buy whatever you need. Most suits are there. They are not easy to find, and it's not easy to find the best suit for you, but I'm very sure the place is so big and so nice. So the more you move, the more you're going to find a lot of things. So make sure that you check all over the place for you to find the quality you want. So you say 10 dirham per wig, ladies wig, and they are so nice. These wholesale shops, the things you saw outside are not expensive, but when you go inside a shop, those are too much expensive. Why they put outside to inspire you to come inside, because this out, maybe sometimes they are trying out to get out all the stuff so that they put new stuffs. So right guys, I just say thank you so much for watching F Tours and Travel. We tour you around the city. Today we are in Naif city, Deira district. So we show you what's taking place, Manis place, and there are a little bit for clothes for ladies. So the more we walk, the more you're going to find a lot of things, but mainly will be based on men. For the ladies, the video will be out soon, but today it was only for men. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for loving F Tours and Travel. Mbagala nnyo bamikwano. Thank you so much.